Hi, I'm Jack from legalexpert.co.uk. We are personal injury claims specialists. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and we offer a no-win, no-fee service. Today, I'm going to be taking a look at zygomatic bone injury recovery. We'll go over some of the steps that we recommend you take, as well as looking at information provided by the NHS in regards to dealing with an injury involving your zygomatic bone. If you have any questions or requests, let us know in the comments. And if you like this video, please do hit that thumbs up button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. If you're suffering from an injury to your zygomatic bone following an accident or incident that wasn't your fault but was down to the negligence of others, you should bear in mind that you may be entitled to compensation. Now, in order to bring a claim for compensation, we recommend that you speak to a personal injury claims specialist that has experience in dealing with zygomatic bone injury compensation claims. You may qualify for free private treatment if the circumstances which has led to you suffering from an injury to your zygomatic bone was down to the negligence of others by bringing a claim for compensation. Now, you won't be expected to pay anything upfront, and we'll ensure that all costs are covered if you decide to bring a claim with us. So call our free phone helpline on 0800 652 7676 in order to find out if you're eligible, or visit our around-the-clock live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, so you can speak to us whenever you'd like. The zygomatic bone is often known as the cheekbone. According to the NHS, the cheekbone forms part of the eye socket, both protecting the eyeball and supporting it from below. It is also linked to the side of the nose and the upper jaw. Now, if you've been involved in an accident which has resulted in an injury to one of your zygomatic bones, such as a fracture, you should visit A&E straight away. Some fractures of the cheekbone produce a break in the floor of the eye socket that needs attention, and you may require surgery. The usual stay in hospital is for 1 night following surgery. If there is uncertainty about the position of the bone the following day, it may be checked with x-rays before you're allowed home. If the bone is not in a satisfactory position, it may be necessary to re-operate. It's important to remember that you will not be able to drive or operate machinery for 48 hours after general anaesthetic. Now, depending on the nature of your work, it may be necessary to take time off for a fortnight or so, and to avoid strenuous exercise for this time. Some sports with high risk of facial injury should not be performed for up to 3 months. So if you've been involved in an accident which has resulted in a zygomatic bone injury and you believe that you're entitled to compensation, we'll be more than happy to hear from you. You should bear in mind that if you're successful in your claim for compensation, the cost of any private treatment should be covered, as well as any loss of income from time off work, which may be claimed back for when bringing a claim for compensation. If we take your case on, we'll be more than happy to put you in touch with a medical specialist and aim to find you one in your area so that you're not having to go out of your way should you require any further treatment in order to further aid your recovery. Of course, the circumstances of each incident are never the same, and whether or not you believe you have a valid claim, it's always advisable that you speak to an expert on the matter. So if you'd like further assistance, we are personal injury claims specialists. We offer free, friendly advice on no-win, no-fee compensation claims, so there's not a penny to pay if you lose. Get the maximum compensation that you deserve. We're rated 4.8 out of 5 stars, and we have specialist solicitors with up to 30 years experience. It'll only take just a couple of minutes for our team, who'll be happy to answer any questions you may have to help establish whether or not you have a valid claim. Call now on 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. Don't forget to subscribe, as we'll be uploading helpful videos just like this one on a regular basis. You can also check out one of our recommended videos or head over to legalexpert.co.uk, where you can read community questions on our forum, get free advice from our live chat, read articles and seek assistance for compensation on a no-win, no-fee basis with your personal injury claim.